surface. Alright, so here I'm going to let you have this cyclic. I'm going to keep the collective and the pedals. Alright, so easy on that pressure. There you go. Should just be able to hold it in just about that same spot. So you have the cyclic. It's all yours. Nice and easy. There you go. A little bit more right pressure. You're kind of pulling it to the left, just a hair. A little bit more this way. So keep that in the neutral position. There you go. And you're flying. Alright, so you're doing pretty good. This is all you. So if you see the lighthouse still on the shoreline, yep. You got one building to the right and then two buildings to the right. We're aiming kind of for that second building now. And that'll get us on a nice track so that when we turn around, it's not too sharp. How you feeling? Good? Here we're coming over Lighthouse Point. It has all these nice little canals and things cut into the water here. Just come a little bit more to the right. We're aiming. There you go. Nice and easy there. Okay, so here's the Hillsborough Inlet, the Hillsborough Lighthouse on the left there. We're going to start a nice easy turn to the left, so just apply a little bit of left pressure. There you go, just hold that in there and let the helicopter come around. Okay, as we come around here you can see the reef nice and clear. Got that nice red color to it. Pretty clear day today. Coming around just like that. There you go. Now you can ease off a small amount of pressure, just keep a little bit left in there. There you go. This is the Hillsborough Mile, or the Millionaire Mile as they call it. This house that's under construction on the left here, I've been told is Adam Sandler's house. Here's Deerfield Fish and Pier sticking out in the water in front of us here. This building here has private rooftop swimming pools on the roof. It's pretty cool looking. Yep. On our right here is the Boca Raton Resort, or I'm sorry, the Inlet, which just has a real nice color to it today. The resort on the left, the tower, the buildings underneath, the golf course, all real nice. So on our left, this is Meisner Park, with the palm trees running down the middle of it, and the amphitheater at the end there. You notice we're coming into the back to the airport. You can see the runway just in front of us here. And we're coming in sideways to it, because we're a helicopter and we're cool like that. How'd everybody enjoy it?
That was fun.
All right.